Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the front bumper lip of your 10th gen Honda Civic. And before I start, I will share what actually happened, why my lower bumper lip came off. I was driving in a highway on my way home, and before I went to my exit lane, I hit something. I honestly don't know what was it. Maybe something that fell off from someone else's vehicle, and that thing was strong enough to almost took off my bumper lip. The tools or things needed for this repair are flathead and crosshead screwdriver. You can also use a pry tool and a hydraulic jack. For those who are new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. First, pry open the honeycomb grill mesh cover. Then make sure that your wheel's position is turned fully on the corner like this, so it's easier for you to remove the screws. After that, remove those two retainer clips on the side. To remove it, open the splash shield and pry and remove the retainer clips. Pry the tabs at the front while pushing the lip upwards and line the tabs to the hole. Give it a good push, enough pressure to get the tab in the holes. You're going to hear a loud thunk once it's locked. Once you got the retainer clips out, pull the top head out and put it back to its hole and make sure it's aligned with the bumper lip. Basically, you were just re-engaging the retainer clips since it was loosened by the impact when the bumper lip was hit. Once you're done on the sides, you can work easily on the mid part of the lip. As you can see, there are a total of 6 tabs that came out. To fix this, just simply put the hydraulic jack under the lip, lift it up high enough to hook the tabs in the holes. Once they are lined up, hold the grill and pull it towards you. Just enough pressure to lock the tabs. You will also hear a thunk once it locks. You may do this 2 to 3 tabs at a time. So this is my fixed bumper. You won't even notice that the lip came out. Just take your time in doing this. It's pretty much basic fix. Thanks guys.